Hey guys, this is your favorite channel DIY Garden Tips, and today I'm gonna give you more unique tips for all types of indoor items. So let's start our video. The first option we have is rope ottoman. The craft is easy, you only need one used tire and a rope. This is a superb addition to a room or an outdoor space that is comfy and unique. This rope ottoman is great weekend project if you want something new and exciting inside the house. Craft this beautiful ottoman to complete your look more stylishly. First, you require a piece of wood to form the top and go around the entire tire with a rope to cover. In the end, you will have a beautiful ottoman that is great addition to your indoor decor, and you can only also add it to your outdoor decor if you please. This DIY project is pretty straightforward with just a few tools. Number two option we have is outdoor tire table from used tire. Tires are an excellent material for revamping your outdoor look. What do you get from stacking two tires and putting a round glass piece on top? A perfect outdoor table. Tires are incredibly easy to work with and also easy to find. If you want to boost your outdoor decor, consider repurposing your old tires into a funky recycled tire table. Getting this unique table is easy and requires only a few tools. Clean the tires and then sack them before spraying some bright paint on them. Make sure the color of the paint matches your outdoor furniture and watch your neighbors admire your creativity. Add a glass top to complete your project. This creative tile craft offers you quality and fun outdoor time with your kids. Number three option we have is a tire into toy shelf. Do you have an extra old tire in your garage? Use it to teach your kids to be well disciplined and more organized even in their play areas by adding this fantastic, wonderful tire shelf for toys. Once you add this rack in their room or playgrounds, kids will automatically be motivated to reasonably put all their toys in this beautiful tire shelf. This is one of the handmade tire projects that is super easy with a few plywood sheet boards. You will also need an exterior paint of your choice, nut, bolts, wood screws, and screwdriver to make this excellent toy shelf. It does not cost much to put together and make this cool and unique storage solution. Number four option we have is a DIY dog bed from recycled tire. Use an old tire to build this comfortable and affordable dog bed for your pet puppy at home. Fortunately, this project is super easy and requires a little time and a few craft supplies. It is amazingly durable for your furry friends, and you will be amused at how they are comfy and super cute. With this simple DIY craft, you will avoid wasting money on traditional style dog beds. All you need is an old tire, some paint in the color you prefer, and a comfy fabric cushion. Scrub the tire to clean it, decorate it with different colorful paint, and then fit it in the fabric cushion. In the end, you have a comfy, cozy, adorable dog bed. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like it. Just subscribe our channel and hit the like button. And thank you so much for watching.